howl, howling.
howled, howls.
Noun. 1.
A long, loud, emotional utterance.
2.
The long, plaintive cry of a hound or a wolf.
3.
A loud, sustained noise resembling the cry of a hound.
Verb.
1.
Emit long, loud cries.
2.
Cry loudly, as if animals.
3.
Make a loud noise, as of wind, water, or vehicles.
4.
Laugh unrestrainedly and heartily.
Listen and practice.
The howl of the wind made him restless. The howl of the wind made him restless. The coyotes were howling in the desert. The coyotes were howling in the desert. The wind was howling in the trees. The wind was howling in the trees.
Howl.